Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're gonna do different video. So this video is about finding the derivative of the function. So maybe I can say like first derivative, but now it's derivative of the function. So let me choose some like kind of function I can choose. Which one I can take? Okay, first of all, I will say find find the derivative of the function. Okay, so I can use g of x. So this is the function g of x, open parenthesis, x squared plus I will choose like 3x minus 3 and then e to the x. So now let me use kind of couple formula. Probably I forgot the name. It's gonna become a years, so I forgot the name of the the formula. But if you take calculus, you're gonna know the formula. Or even I can find it later to put on my bottom of like coming there. So let me write the formula. So we have d divided by dx, and then I bracket f of f times g. This is the formula, but it's not a function. So it is equals to f times g prime. Prime is mean derivative, plus g prime. Sorry guys. G times f of prime. So far so good. Yes, so far so good for me. So let me hold on. I want to remove everything here. I will remove everything here. So I can put here if you guys can see. I think you cannot see it, but let me put down. So I will put something like in the bottom gonna be equals, or I'm gonna find g prime of x equals blank. So first of all, this size, this column here, it is my f. This is my f, and then also this is my g. So let me like separating together. So first of all, so now I have my g and f, so I have to use g. I used to use f first, so f equals f of x equals, because f or f of x is the same thing. It's not the same thing, but I can say f is equals to, so the middle thing, the middle go in the middle is the thing I should say. This is my f is x squared plus 3x minus 3. So now I can find my first derivative. F prime equals f prime equals. So first of all, this is the other formula. So we multiply, we put this down and we subtract by 1. So 2 times, x squared, so it's gonna be 2 times x, 2 times x, so minus 1. We don't want to put any power, so it's only x. So now we don't have anything, so x changes to 1, and then this side is called C is like constants. So it's like 0. Any constant is a 0 from the first derivative, to find the first derivative or to find the derivative. So plus, I think it's minus 3. Oh yeah, it's plus 3. So this is my f prime, or this is my derivative. So now I can use my g. So my g is equals to e of x. So and then g of x, so g prime equals, is not gonna change, still the same, e of x power. So now let me use the formula I did before. So let me use a different color. So first of all, I say f times g prime. So f, so it's gonna be, let me put equals here. So x, this is the f, x squared plus 3x minus 3 and then now I say multiply by, it's gonna be like multiply by g prime. So my g prime is gonna be also e to the x, and then I will say plus, and then open parentheses. I will do a little open parentheses. So this is my g, and also they say g prime. So this is my g prime, and also they tell me about my g, so nothing changed there. I also can put e to the x power, so time f prime. So time f prime is 2x plus 3. So close the parentheses. So now everything I want is right there. So now I have to like putting together and then solve it. So first of all, I will tell you guys, you have to multiply this by this, by that. So I have x squared times e to the x plus 3x e to the x and minus 3 e to the x minus 3 e to the x plus, now have to change this form to go by this form. So now I have 2ex, hold on, my bad, 2x to the e to the x power plus 3 e to the x power. So that thing I can cancel is 2 of thing. So first of all, let's check look up. So you see we have minus and then we have positive. So you think this is gonna be equals? No, this is gonna never be equals. We have to cancel this out. So only thing we had is this 3 and also 2. So the first thing we can do, e to the x. So we have to do e to the x, or x squared to the e power plus, and then we have to do factor there after that. So x e squared, right? Ex squared, and then 3x e to the x power plus 2. So that's gonna be 5 x to the e to the x power. So now everything is clearly. So now I have to use factor, or either way this question is correct, and also this one is gonna be more bad. So this problem, everything is multiplied by e. So I have to say e to the x power, we say that, and I have to say x squared plus 5x plus 5x. So this is your answer, and also this part, but this part we didn't factor yet, but this part we factor. So both of them is the answer. So this is your final answer. This also is your final answer. For some students they like do this, for some students they only want to do this. So there we go. So this problem can help you out a lot. So now we're done of this problem. We're gonna do like other question. So next question, I will choose find the derivative. So if you see like derivative, this side, like derivative is the same thing. You see they put d, they say d times dx. So this also is the same thing. This is the same with this, and this is the same with this. So both of them is the same. So you have to see that in other classes, but you're gonna confuse. So I want to make sure to just help you out. So now let me show you quick of them. In here they tell me find. So they say derivative dx. So that's, I already tell you, d over dx is the derivative times 6 square to the x power plus 3. So now we have to find that. So let's change some color. Okay, let me just color today. So first of all, let's say d divided by dx. Sorry, I don't want you to get confused. So d divided by dx equals. So now it's gonna not equals yet. So we have to do the exact same thing as they did there, but it's gonna be a little bit different for sure. So first thing I can do, I will use like u, like other formula they gonna say u, but it's not real u. So to help you to solve your like question to get your answer. So derivative of 6 2x plus 3. So now I will set those things here to my u, as I tell you before. This is my u, and also u prime. U prime is the derivative. We already talk about it already. So it's only gonna be 2. Only that. My u prime is gonna be only 2. So now I have to set up everything together. So I have to set up everything together. So inside I have u to the 6 power, has, because this u and 6, and then outside the u prime is gonna be also, this is 6 to the square power, or 6 square. Next let me change the color quick. So next I have to do like d over dx. So we have to do something called like natural log. So we have to learn today. So it's called natural log. Like any numbers like 1 over like x or something like that, I say that's called natural log. So first of all, we say d time. D. So now I have 6 inside, and then I have also 6 outside, because we already set up this to u, and then outside is u to the power. So we can do u equals, or also I forgot my u equals 2x plus 3. So there we go. Now everything's clear. So now I have to use thing like separate, but it's gonna be the same thing. So I have to use d times natural log, I will say that, times natural log times 6, close the natural log, 6 because this 6 is came from here. I want you to make sure that. And then the 6 outside is come from the original function inside, so it's gonna be 6 outside to the 2 power x plus 3 as the u. So when, and then we kind of say like time 2, who tell me where the 2 came from? 2 came from my prime, so that's the reason why I put there. So 2 here, and also I have to move these 2 to come to front of those. So now everything I need is there, so I only like subtracting to get my answer. Now I will say d over dx, you can say equals now, equals equals 2, because 2 of their natural log, because this is my natural log, and also 6 times 6 2x plus 3. So that it is your final answer. So ça c'est votre final réponse. In French they say that. So this is your final answer. There we go. This is good point, check mark. So I hope you guys like it. And also I'm trying to find like some other work to help us, but right now I'm a little bit kind of busy, but so when I have time I will like do some of math, but not today. So I hope you like this video, and I love you guys, and have